Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Practice English Daily. Before we start, if you enjoy simple English stories like this one, please take a moment to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. It really helps the channel grow, and it keeps you motivated to learn English every day. Thank you, and let's begin. Today's story is about a small change, a very small change that slowly made life better. Life in a big city can be very busy, very fast, and sometimes very heavy. Every morning started in the same way. The alarm would ring, but getting out of bed was not easy. The body felt tired, and the mind felt slow. Time passed quickly in the morning, and everything became a rush. Breakfast was quick, getting ready was fast, and the day always started with stress. Evenings were not very different. After a long day, there was no energy left, only rest, phone, and sleep. And then, the same day repeated again, day after day, week after week. Slowly, life started to feel empty. Something felt missing. Something needed to change. One simple idea appeared. Wake up just a little earlier. Not 1 hour, not even 30 minutes, just 10 minutes earlier. It sounded very easy, but in the morning, it never felt easy. The bed was warm, and sleep felt comfortable. Still, that small decision mattered. One morning, the day started a little earlier. Everything was quiet, just silence. And in that silence, something felt different, peaceful, and light. The next day, the same thing happened again, and again, and again. Slowly, those 10 minutes became special. A calm start, a peaceful moment before the busy day. After some days, a small habit was added, a glass of water in the morning. Then another small habit, a simple stretch for the body. Nothing big, nothing difficult, just small actions. One by one, days turned into weeks. Mornings started to feel different. The body felt more awake. The mind felt more clear. And the day started with calm energy. Work became easier. Focus became stronger. Even small things felt better. The change was slow, almost invisible at first. But over time, it became clear. A better morning created a better day, and a better day created a better life. All of this started with one small habit, just 10 minutes. Small changes can create big results. Start small, stay consistent, and everything will slowly change. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Practice English Daily, and comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next story.